I seriously just found a cicada killer, and I caught it too. Watch out! Wait, 1 second. No, don't risk it. I'm taking it outside. Oh my God, this is crazy. Crazy daisy.
Give me that thing. I can do it real fast.
Let's see if you can see that little hole. No.
Make a bigger one.
No. Okay. No, I really don't want this to get stung. Have you seen coyote? Okay, there's a little bigger hole so YouTube can see in. But make sure it's not as big where you can see it out. Just poke the whole thing in. Just don't make sure you don't get them. Put holes beside it. Put holes right beside it, right? Like literally like.
He's mad. Yeah.
Right in the middle.
You don't like being in there.
No, nope. Okay, that's good. He almost just stung me. Almost. He was right where I opened it at. Okay. Oh my God, I can't believe this. I'm very scared.
I see him too.
Where?
Wait, yeah.
Okay, watch out for your hand. Watch out for your hand. Wait, maybe I could just zoom in. Ready?
Zoom in that little hole.
Yeah, but it's blurry, very blurry when you zoom in that much. Don't open it up. Just like, wait a minute. Wait. Can't believe I actually got this cicada killer. Now this is 100%. No, don't stick your finger in there like that. Wait, stop. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do it.
Right here.
Coyote got stung.
Ready?
And
You ready to take a picture?
Yep.
Ready?
Oh, you see it right there. Oh, okay. Oh crap, he got out. I know, but I'm gonna wait to show YouTube it way better.
That scared me.
Whoa.
Scare you?
I have to find a different one to show YouTube.
It's still beating fast.
I'm going over here.
Stay away from here now.
No, I want to show YouTube.
Well, there's other ones.
Oh my God. Yeah, I'm looking for them.
Yeah, he's probably mad right now, so hopefully he won't hear it. That would scare the piss out of him.
Don't say that on YouTube.
Oh. I didn't know you were still on YouTube.
I could get demonetized.
Sorry. I know you're on it.
I'm still looking for a cicada. Cicada. Right there. Oh, wait, nope.
I think we scared them all away. He took his buddies and left.
Cicada killers don't like make friends.
They said, "Come on, guys, they're trying to catch us."
Well, it's crazy. I'm sending the video now. Hopefully, you guys got a really good view of it.
Did you?
Not really.
Well, look. Stop it and look.